Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to create and verify MoonPay account. So let's start.
It's quite straightforward. First, sign up using your Google account or Apple ID if you're on an Apple device. Once that's done, navigate to your home page where you'll find the option to begin your verification. The required documents for verification will vary depending on your country of residence. Proceed by verifying your identity, which will take you to a new page to confirm your details. From there, it's pretty simple. Just enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and nationality. Next, you'll need to input your billing address and location. Don't forget to include your zip code. Afterward, you'll be prompted to upload a photo of your ID or driver's license along with completing a liveness check, which uses your camera to verify your presence. For example, if you're in the United States, you'll need to upload a picture of your ID card, passport, or residence permit, both the front and back sides. After you've submitted everything, it will take a couple of days for your account to be fully verified, and then you'll have complete access to your MoonPay account.
And that's it guys. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.